Hey guys, it's your boy back again with another video. This time we're unboxing the Razer Junglecat. Look at that controller. Now, I've been looking for a Bluetooth controller that would give me a Switch-like experience. Now, I already have the Razer Kishi Type-C version, and I actually love it. I also have the Lightning version for my iPhone, but I've been wanting the Razer Junglecat since it was first announced, but it was a little out of my price range, and now that it can be picked up online for as little as $45 to $50, I had to jump on it. As you can see, it comes with 3 cases, neither of which fit my phone, but hey, at the end of the video you can see what little ingenuity it gets you. Now, it can be played like a regular Bluetooth controller, or it can attach on sides of a cell phone. Now, this is the case that I actually used to modify these for my Note 20 Ultra. Awesome.
You're going down!
Get over here, or I'm done!
Time you freaks learned a lesson!
Guess you didn't want a piece of me. Am I playing too rough for you?
Let's see what you got.
You're lucky you're still breathing. Ooh yeah, ain't no one standing in my way.
Think you're bad, Muty? All units be on the lookout for Dr. Bruce Banner, 5'11", medium build, brown hair. Subject considered armed and dangerous. We have a 10-11. Unit responding on the scene.
Dispatch, our boss is bouncing off! We're gonna need the army to stop this thing! Hands in the air! I said freeze! Hold your fire! now. Dispatch! Get down!
We need to take a big risk, Bruce.
Roger that, Adam 6. We're sending fire and medical assistance. All units, be on the lookout for suspect, Bruce Banner. Approximately 12 feet tall, green skin. Wanted in connection with destruction of private property, subversive activities, and resisting arrest.
We've spotted the target and following on point.
Situation!
Destroy.
Oh, God!
We need heavier backup! Request missile support!
Maintain a perimeter! He's coming for the substation!
All systems are a go. Somebody call the governor. See what the hell he wants to do about this situation, because it ain't getting any easier down here.
Fury. Jack 5. Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You lose. Final round. Fight. You win. Continue. Welcome to the King of Iron Fist Tournament. Flower. Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next.
Alpha 3. Select your character. Select your fighting style. Get ready, fighters! Go for it, man! You win! Get ready, fighters! Go for it, man! You win! Can you march the way to glory? Hey, there's somebody who can stop this fighting machine.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you just saw, please like, follow, and share.